Think the YouTube algorithm is just a mysterious machine favoring big creators? Think again. These 10 facts will challenge everything you thought you knew and might just change how you grow your channel. Fact 1. The algorithm doesn't favor big channels. It favors performance. One of the most persistent myths on YouTube is that the algorithm automatically boosts large creators. In reality, YouTube's algorithm doesn't care about your subscriber count. It cares about how your videos perform. If a video from a small channel gets a strong click-through rate, high audience retention, and solid engagement, it can get promoted more than a video from a big creator that underperforms. In fact, many breakout creators have gone viral before hitting 1,000 subscribers, simply because their content hit the right signals. Fact 2. The homepage algorithm is personalized, literally every time you log in. The homepage you see on YouTube is tailor-made just for you, and it changes constantly. It's shaped by your watch history, the types of content you engage with, how long you pause on certain thumbnails, and even what kind of content you've stopped watching recently. Two people sitting side by side can open YouTube and see completely different homepages, even if they're subscribed to the same channels. The algorithm is designed to anticipate what you want next before you even know it. Fact 3. There's no single YouTube algorithm. It's actually a whole team. When people say the YouTube algorithm, they're usually referring to a giant mysterious force. But it's not just one algorithm, right? It's several. YouTube uses different algorithms for the homepage, search results, suggested videos, shorts, and even notifications. Each of these is trained on different user behaviors. For example, the algorithm that powers search focuses on keywords and relevance, while the suggested videos algorithm looks closely at your recent watch patterns and session time. It's not one brain, it's a whole army of them. Fact 4. External traffic can supercharge algorithmic reach. Think it's not worth sharing your video outside YouTube? Think again. Traffic that comes from external sources, like Twitter, Reddit, Discord, or even your blog, is tracked by YouTube. If enough people from those sources click your video and watch it for a decent amount of time, YouTube treats that as a positive engagement signal. It essentially tells the platform, people want this content, even outside the ecosystem. The result? Your video might start showing up more in the recommended section, reaching new audiences organically. Fact 5. The first 30 seconds can make or break your video. Audience retention is one of the top signals used by the algorithm. And the most critical part? The first 30 seconds. YouTube measures how many people stick around after clicking on your video. If viewers drop off quickly, the algorithm assumes the video didn't deliver on its promise, and it stops pushing it. On the flip side, if you hook viewers and keep them watching past that 30-second mark, your video is far more likely to gain momentum. In short, nail your intro or risk invisibility. Fact 6. Your thumbnail and title are the gatekeepers of discovery. Before a single second of your video is watched, YouTube's algorithm is already working, measuring how often people click your video. This is called the click-through rate, or CTR. If your thumbnail and title are compelling, relevant, and spark curiosity, your CTR will rise, and the algorithm will show your video to more people. But if your CTR is low, even a great video might never get seen. A tiny change, like a different color or one power word, can make all the difference. Fact 7. YouTube Shorts run on a completely different algorithm. Shorts might look like regular YouTube videos, but behind the scenes, they're treated very differently. Shorts have their own recommendation engine, and it's optimized for fast, loopable content. What matters here isn't comments or likes, it's how often people watch to the end, how many swipe past, and how many rewatch. It's a rapid feedback loop. That's why even a 10-second short can get millions of views or none, depending on how it performs in just the first few minutes of exposure. Fact 8. Algorithm updates happen constantly, without warning. Unlike platforms like Instagram or TikTok, YouTube rarely announces algorithm updates. Instead, it continuously runs A/B tests on thumbnails, titles, video placement, and session behavior. These small changes, often invisible to creators, can cause sudden spikes or drops in traffic. If your views crash overnight, it might not be your fault. It could be the result of an ongoing test in your content category or viewer segment. That's why consistency is key. It gives the algorithm more data to work with. Fact 9. Even subscribers won't see your videos unless they engage. You might assume that having subscribers guarantees views, but YouTube doesn't show every video to every subscriber. If someone subscribed to your channel but hasn't clicked or watched in a while, the algorithm may stop showing them your new uploads. Subscriber engagement, not just subscriber count, is what matters. That's why many channels with millions of subscribers can struggle with low view counts, and why smaller channels with highly engaged audiences can outperform them. Fact 10. The algorithm reads the room through comments and interaction. Ever wonder if commenting or hearting replies actually helps your video? It does. YouTube's algorithm notices how viewers interact with your content. If a video sparks discussion, especially meaningful extended comment threads, it's seen as more engaging and may be prioritized in recommendations. Creator engagement also plays a role. When you heart or reply to comments, it shows the algorithm that your community is active and connected, boosting the overall quality score of your content. The YouTube algorithm isn't magic. It's data-driven and surprisingly fair once you understand how it works. In case you want to find out more, look at the description where we put our sources. So, if this helped clear things up, hit that subscribe button and comment below. Which fact surprised you the most? You might just help the algorithm send this video to someone who needs it too.